Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be continuing the Campfire-2, which is a part of Campfire-1. If you haven't checked that video, do check that. So in this one, we'll be continuing with the carrot roasting again, and you will see what sort of attack happened within this box, and we'll be investigating that. And this box was mostly for the security issue related to the domain controller, which was actually a user or is a user. So and what sort of event ID we get and how we interact with those. So let's continue with the video and jump to the box. So there we have it, the Sherlock scenario. I have already replicated it into the obsidian. Let's read it from here, then we'll minimize this window and continue on the obsidian. Okay, so over here the Forela network is consistently under attack. So it is under attack from quite a while. The security system raised an alert about an old admin account requesting a ticket from KDC. This is a key distribution center. It is used to authenticate and verify the user identity. So we'll learn or check more about this in this video. And as he was requesting on a domain controller, so inventory shows that this user account is not used as of now. So you are tasked to take a look into this. So we'll be investigating this specific incident and the count request that it has initiated. So along with that, this may be an AsREP roasting attack, which is related to if you go with the AS, it is for authentication service, and for REP, that is response, and you can include the message after that. So it is for authentication service response message, and it is like a type of message which transmitted between server and client when we perform authentication on the Kerberos. So roasting attack, and anyone can request any user ticket which has pre-authentication disabled. Okay, so using this attack you can request other users tickets on which there is no pre-authentication. Okay, so let's start with this and see where it takes us. Let's minimize this, and we should open the Explorer over here in Sherlocks Campfire-2, and this is a file we'll get once we download it from the Hack the Box. So this is another event file. We can see this into the event viewer of the window itself, or you can use tools like there we have theme if you want the proper structured output which has more elaborated content and it can refine the whole process. And the other one is tool event ECMD. That's a tool. Let me show you. It should be here somewhere. Yeah, there we have it. So it is a CMD tool, and it you can use a command to convert the content of this file into either CSV, JSON, or maybe in XML, though I'm not sure about XML, but yeah, CSV and JSON, it can perform that, and you will get the data listed out in that way. And there isn't many events, as we can see, only 152 events are there. If you work if you check in the real industrial content, which has more event than this, so it is fun sometime. Okay, so let's identify all these events. What sort of events we have here? Okay, so first it is for a scheduled task was updated, for updating a scheduled task. And if you remember, we have a account name from the previous box. Let's open that. Where is it? Over here. Let's drag it here so we can check the previous account. There we have it. Alon Spire, I guess. So this is account we have, and it was utilized trying to access a MS SQL for the ticket on Kerberos was raised. So let's see if we can find anything identical or related to this. This is a network service, administrator, enumerating credentials. Okay, so someone was reading the credentials over here, as you can see in the message. Let's see if we can find anything interesting in these. Okay, there is administrator account, admin. Let's check. Okay, there we have it. One anonymous login over here, and it's from the same IP. If you check over here, and on this we have the same IP. Where did it go? Yeah, there we have it. So we have the both identical IPs over here. Okay, so let's see what's the first question they're asking. When did AsREP roasting attack occur? And when did the attacker request a Kerberos ticket for vulnerable user? Okay, so let's keep checking the other. Please confirm the user account that was targeted by the attacker. Okay, we'll check that. Over here, this is a file sharing activity, and let's see if it's the same over here. No, it's different. Okay, we'll keep checking. And the next one is, what was the SID of the account? And the next one is, it is crucial to identify the compromised user account and workstation responsible for this attack. Please list the internal IP address of the compromised asset to assist our threat hunting team. Got it? We'll check that. And the last, we do not have any artifacts from the source machine yet. Using the same DC security logs, can you confirm the user account used to perform this AsREP roasting attack so we can contain the compromised account? Understood. Okay, so let's go through from all of these requests or like the events, then we'll see if we need to do something else or not. And if you know that in the previous box, we also checked for the authentication type, or I would say the ticket encryption type, which was 0x17, which is a weak encryption, over 0x12, which has a like strong encryption on that. So let's see if this one also contain anything related to that, and we'll keep scrolling down. I think we are going back in time, so let's do this rather. Okay, so let's check. A new process has been created. Okay, a primary token was assigned to the process. Let's keep checking. So from here, the process creation was started. Okay, boot configuration, data load, doesn't contain much data, and computer is different, or it should be this. Let's keep checking. Nothing here, nothing here. Okay, so over here the C path is getting accessed in the scripts, and we have shared DC confidential. So okay, so there's a file sharing process is going on, some other files from the security group. So the attacker also enumerated the system administrator. Okay, new ticket got requested over here, but it's from the DC domain controllers 01 account, and it has the strong encryption. Let's keep checking. Another file sharing, and this has a different source IP address. Let's keep checking further. Account name, again domain controller, which has strong encryption. Same, nothing much. Again domain controller, administrator, again admin. Okay, so someone must be reading the credential from the storage, or where the account data gets stored, like username or password stuff maybe. Let's keep checking further, and there we go. We got a different looking account, and what does it say? And here we can see this has a weak encryption type. You can like find the stuff related to this in the previous video. Go check that out and drop a like if you find that interesting or useful, and same for this. So over here, if we see we have one account, so let's keep this in mind, and we can't check like what's the request number is, but I think we can pop the event. Okay, we have something else too. We have happy account also, and the IP same as the previous box. So these two accounts must have got compromised. Let's see if there is any other account. Okay, so using this account, there's some file sharing has happened over this network. So at least we know the like IP address. So let's go back here. We can start from here where it was asking for the account IP address. It was in the fourth. So the IP address is this. Copy and we'll paste. What was the SID of the account? So as we know that this is the account which like had no pre-authentication and requested for ticket. Let's this one is the one by using the attack happened and the account is vulnerable. So we can add this into our first task, and it is asking when did that happen. We need the time of this, and we need to convert it into the UTC. So let's move this screenshot here because most of the answer will be getting from here. We got the first answer using this account we got the first compromise. Please confirm the user account that was targeted by the attacker. This is the user account, the username. What was the SSID of the account? This, I think, SSID, SID. It should be service ID, or will it be like user ID? I believe it should be this, but let's copy both. In case none works, then we'll add it here accordingly. We have both in the output. And what's the next question? It is asking for like the account that using IP that got compromised, or the internal workstation IP address. We have this. It is available here from the previous box. Okay, so what's the last question? We do not have any artifact from a source machine yet. Using the same DC security log, can you confirm the user account used to perform this attack so we can contain the compromised account? Okay, if you see over here, this one is a strong account, as we can see the encryption type, and it's on the same environment. So what I think is, using this account must have got compromised, and using this, which is a good privileged account, I guess, or like a proper account, the file sharing happened from here, and we can see quite a like good share paths over here from which the file got transferred. And if we keep checking, the event log service got shut, and again file sharing happened. There's a process creation, and there's the file sharing happening, but it's not from that account. So there are two share happened from this account. First is this one, or maybe three. The second is this one, and third is this one, by using this account. So we can say that this is the account using which the data got compromised or get shared. So we can copy this and paste it here, and we will copy the name, paste it here, and that's it. But we need to give the POC. We'll keep the screenshot of this, and there we go. And after that, there isn't any like other event I have seen so far related to ticket creation, authentication service, or operations. Let's keep checking further. Yeah, only the security groups, file sharing. There is some services, but those are from other accounts. Must be the regular accounts that are getting used. There's some credential reading over here, but it's from administrator account and stuff so on. Okay, so let's try by putting these answers into the box and see if we found correct answers or not. Let's start dropping these into the box, and once that finish, I'll like elaborate what is AsREP roasting attack. But before that, let's convert this into UTC. Let's put it here. This is the time with the seconds. So here we got our first answer. Let's edit it over here, and also check what's the format. Year, month, date, hour, minutes, seconds. So we'll go with 2024 hyphen, I guess it was hyphen. Yes, it's hyphen 05 hyphen 29 space 06 colon 36 colon 40. And there we go. Let's go back. Copy this stuff, paste it here. And with this, we got the first answer. And the account that actually got compromised or was targeted by the attacker, it was author Kyle. Let's submit that. And like I said, I'm not sure which one it should be asking for. So let's try this one first, the user ID, but it is asking for SID. So I'm assuming it should be service ID. So let's go with the service ID first, and it is wrong. User ID. So it seems there is an error over here. It should be UID rather the SID, I guess. So if you also find this like weird, I will report it on maybe to support, or if it is not changed, you guys can also try. And if I am wrong, you find, then please drop in the comment why it is like wrong, why it is a SID over the UID. So that this is weird for me. So please do correct me with the explanation why there should be a SID rather UID. And the next one is, let's okay, I didn't put the answer here. There we have it. Second last, the IP. This is the same IP we got in the previous one. So this is the internal IP address from which the account got compromised. And the last one, the user, by using which the content was got shared and the user was used to perform the attack. This one. So we'll submit this, and with this we got our box finished. And if you liked the video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. With this, give me some time and I'll explain you guys like what is this attack, AsREP roasting, and how it get performed. Because if you remember, like in the previous box, we also identified the tool that was utilized to perform this attack, and that was Rubius. So we'll see the whole demonstration. I'm not sure if I'll be able to demonstrate that, but I should be able to explain how it happened and how it must have worked. Well, thanks for watching, guys. See you in a second. Maybe I'll create like explanatory videos some another day. So till that day, I would like to say dig by yourself to get, if you want to know something about, just Google for it and you will get the result. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys liked it. So let's aim for 20 likes on this video, and with that, have a great day, and I'll see you guys in another video. Till then, bye bye, have a great day again.